Check out this Ford 2017 F-150 XLT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include steering wheel mounted controls, voice recognition controls, stability control, security remote, anti-theft alarm system, phone wireless data link, Bluetooth, crumple zones front, roll stability control, impact sensor, post-collision safety system, sync, satellite communications and airbags, front, dual. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.